Hi guys, this is Alina, and today I would like to introduce you to a new project. It will be a mini album that you can do for your Valentine, for St. Valentine's Day, or you can use same technique for any other occasion. Anyway, it's quick, easy, nice looking album, and I hope you will like it. So let's start. I will take each of my prepared papers and make marks using pencil and ruler, so it will be easier for me to bond them in frames. If you have good eyesight, you may try to do it without marks. What I will do next, I will bend my paper so we will able to do frames for our photos. This is what we will get after all. This will be our frames for photos. Now we will do it for our remain papers. This is first one. Here we are. Now we have 5 frames for our future album. What we will do next? Next we will glue down inside parts of our frames so they will stuck. We will stuck, and our photo will stay on place all the time. We will do the box for our album. Our box will be 4.5 inch. Paper clips so it will dry better. So now our lid is ready, so we will let it dry. Now then our box lid is ready. We will embellish it. are ready, our frames for our photos. So we would like to combine them together. For this you will need 4 small pieces of paper. What I will do, I will make a scoring for them. What we will do next, we will combine our pieces like here. Okay, try way too big. And we need to cut them a little bit. We will connect all our 5 frames together. While we're waiting till our glue will finish to dry, we will prepare our embellishments. And I have these cards, what I would like to use to embellish my project. And I will make decorative corners for my cards. I will use these corner punches for this. Basically everything what we will need is already finished. We only left with embellishment. So first of all, I will embellish my box. So we have our embellishment prepared. side to distress my album a little bit. So what I have done, I'm prepare some embellishments what I will use for embellishing our album. I will start with my cover. So we will go to our next pages. Now we're moving to our next page. Next page is a journaling. So again, I don't think that they need too much of embellishment here. Here I will use some more birds. So we finished this page. It was last one on this side. We won't embellish this part because it will be glued down to our box. So we go to our back side. So our embellishing is finished. This is what we have after this as a result. This side and this side. Last steps for finishing this project will be put our photos in our frames and put our album in our box. And then it will dry. You will just use your ribbon, round it, make a beautiful bow. And present it to your recipient with all these beautiful memories inside. We finished with this beautiful album. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial and we'll try to make same things for yourself. And I really hope to see you soon, and goodbye.